So, you're thinking about closing your DOT number, huh? Whether it's because you're retiring, shifting gears, or simply taking a break, understanding the DOT closure procedure is key. And don't worry, we've got your back. First things first, what's a DOT number anyway? It's kind of like a social security number, but for your business. It identifies your company as a commercial vehicle operator with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. If your business is no longer in operation, it's super important to close this number properly. Now, you might be wondering, why is it such a big deal? Well, an open DOT number means the FMCSA still expects you to follow all those rules and regulations. From maintaining safety records to insurance requirements, leaving it active is like leaving a house with the front door wide open. Here's the scoop on closing it. You'll need to fill out a specific form. It's designed to let the FMCSA know that you're saying goodbye. But heads up, it's not as easy as filling out a quick survey online. There's a bit more to it. And here's something many business owners don't realize. If you ever decide to restart operations, having properly closed your DOT number makes the reopening process much smoother. When the FMCSA sees everything was tied up neatly the first time around, you avoid delays, compliance hiccups, and unnecessary red flags during reactivation. Why bother with all the hassle when you can have professionals do it for you? At movingauthority.com, we're all about making this process smooth and stress-free. We handle the tough stuff so you can focus on what's next on your journey. You might ask, can I just ignore it? Not a great idea. Leaving your DOT number hanging out there can lead to unexpected fines and penalties. Plus, no one likes surprises, especially the expensive kind. There's a lot more to it. But if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, you're not alone. Our team at movingauthority.com is here to take the weight off your shoulders. So if you're closing up shop or just shifting gears, make sure you're doing it the right way. Trust us, your future self will thank you. And remember, we're here to help make the transition as smooth as possible. All right, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or need assistance, drop them in the comments below or visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Until next time, take care and keep moving forward.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.